Hello and good morning, friends. So, today we will start with our lesson number 7, Cube and Cube Root, exercise 7.1. Here in the exercise, the question given to us is which of the following, question number 1, that is, which of the following numbers are not perfect cubes. So how we can find out that the given numbers are perfect cube or not, that we have learned already. So numbers given to us, and that will be yes or no. The reason, yes or no, is a perfect cube or not, and reason also. What is the reason behind it? Why it is not a perfect square? Suppose if we start with the first number, that is 216. Okay, so we know that 6 into 6 into 6, so that will be 6 cube, and answer will be yes. Reason, perfect cube of 6. Similarly, you can go for second number also, perfect cube of 6, because ग्रुप ऑफ परफेक्ट क्यूब, जैसे कि अगर हम 216 के फैक्टर्स निकालते हैं, एग्जाम्पल देख लो, जैसे कि 216 एंड वी यूज टू फाइंड द प्राइम फैक्टर्स ऑफ इट. सो 2 we divide, then 108. If I divide again by 2, I will get 54. Again I divide it by 2, then I'm going to get 27. If I divide it, then I'm going to get, that will be 3 9s are, and 3 3s are, and 3 1s are. So I can make the 3 pair groups of this number, and no factor is left, no prime factor is left. Clear? So from here, no prime factor left over. Clear? Grouping the prime numbers in triplets, while grouping the prime factors in triplets. 3 के जोड़े में बनाया. ओके, ट्रिपल्स अगर हम बना सकते हैं तो बना सकते हैं. नो फैक्टर इज लेफ्ट, and this is the only reason we can say it is a perfect cube of 8. Therefore we can say 216 is a perfect cube. Same way you can go for the other number also, second number, that is as for the question given, 128. Okay, so first step, as you know, that we have to find the factors of it. So इसके prime factors निकाल सकते हैं ना. So 128, if I can start by 2 6 and 64, again it is possible by 2, then 2 32s are, 2 16s are, 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, and 2 1s are. So if I make the pair of 2 2 3 3s, then I have one number is left, 1 2 is left. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 3 pair grouping this pair, and this one is left. So I am going to get 2 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 3 and only 2 raised to 1. So this one is left. Okay, 2 is left over. Okay, So I can write grouping the prime factors of 128 into triples. We are left over with 2 as ungrouped factor. It is a prime factor but which is not in triple group. Therefore, 128 is not a perfect cube. Hope so this much clear to you. So next 2 नंबर या 3 नंबर्स जो भी दिए हैं that will be third number, fourth and fifth. It will be your homework part. Hope so clear to you this much. Now question number 2. Now in the question number 2 given to us as we were doing for square and square root. Same way over here. The question says that find the smallest number by which each of the following numbers must be multiplied to obtain a perfect cube. So which are these numbers? Suppose 243 is a given number. So first of all we will find out the prime factors of it. Okay? So here if I find it out, the prime factor of 243. Clear? So the prime factors for this, if I start 2 it not possible, so I will start with 3. So 3 8s are 24 and 1. So 3 27s are, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are and 3 1s are. So if I put 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, so grouping 3 digit, but here only 2, so 1 left. That will give me 3 cube and 2 square. So what should be multiplied with 243 to make it? This is not a perfect cube क्योंकि 3 numbers चाहिए यहाँ पर, 1 is required. Therefore 243 is not a perfect cube. And if it is not a perfect cube, what should be multiplied with this? So 243 should be multiplied by 3. Okay? Then only we are going to get, that is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, and that should be multiplied by 3. Clear? So then and then it will become 3 pairs. So 243 should be or must be multiplied by 3 to make it a perfect cube. Okay? And if we multiply, what we are getting? So 243 multiplied by 3, I am getting 729. And 729, और वो किसका परफेक्ट क्यूब बन जाएगा? इट विल बी परफेक्ट क्यूब ऑफ 3 cube and 3 cube. That will be 3 into 3 and that will be perfect cube of 9. Hope so this much clear to you all. We can go for the second sum also, that is second number 256. So first of all, what should be multiplied?